Hello everyone. In this video, we will improve the startup idea generator. Let's open our project. Now let's make a few changes by adding more questions and answers to our chatbot just like this. And now let's run the project and talk to our updated chatbot. Do you have a startup idea?
A game in which you play as an astronaut who travels to different planets.
Do you have another idea?
A website that helps people learn by testing their knowledge.
One more please.
A fun timer that congratulates you on completing a task or working session, and offers to relax with music or tap dancing.
Tell me about your startup.
A coffee app with recipes, history, and the ability to track your coffee collection.
How about another idea?
An app that lets you create cartoons from drawings.
I don't know about this one. Give me another idea.
A website where you can make funny pictures and memes.
What's your startup?
A game that helps you learn a foreign language by practicing with native speakers.
Do you have another idea?
A website that helps people learn by testing their knowledge.
One more please.
A glider with a virtual personal assistant that helps users remember important tasks, gives tips on productivity and boosts morale throughout the day.
Pitch me your startup.
A game where you start as a single-celled organism and evolve into a human by the year 3000.
How about another idea?
A quest where you have to start a successful startup.
What's your startup?
A website that gives you ideas for different areas of your life every day.
Do you have another idea?
A cooking assistant bot that shares cooking ideas and tips.
One more please.
A website that has a collection of different exercises to help improve your logical thinking skills.
Tell me about your startup.
A mobile app that lets you record your impressions of different dishes and drinks, set points, and create collections.
I don't know about this one. Give me another idea.
An app that allows users to play musical instruments from all over the world and even create their own group.
One more please.
A website where you can record your dreams and share them with other users. You can also search for dreams by hashtags.
Thank you for watching the video. What's your startup idea? Let us know in the comments. You can find the startup idea generator in the description below. You can also watch a video on how to create and publish your own bot like this one. The link is in the description. Thank you.